beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness today. I am Van Goss. We're going to do jumping jacks, jump rope, squats, 1, 2, 3 kicks, and stretch. That's it, jumping jacks. Breathe. Here we go. Working the heart. Now, if this is too much for you and you can't go that whole minute, here's a modification for you, just like this. You can do this. 1, 2, 3. That's your jumping jacks right there. Okay? Just like that. All right, now, here we go. Back to that cardio. Get the heart rate up. I'm going to add a little bit to it. Turn it. Turn it. And turn it. Here we go. That's it. Just like that. March it out. That's it. The sun is out. The sun will come out tomorrow. Coming out right now. Okay. All right. Next move. Jump rope. Here we go. First, you're going to tap. Now, keep your abs engaged during the whole move. Now, let's jump it. One leg. Helping with the balance. Other leg. Yeah. Both feet. Now, if you feel like you're ready for the challenge, double it up, double it up, double it up. Come on, make it work, make it work, make it work, make it work, make it work. Now back. Yeah, working that heart. It's a good for your heart fitness workout. Sing while you're jumping. I love to jump rope. I love to jump rope. Get silly. Ready? Tap it out. Self a pat on the back. All right. Ready for the squat. I'm thinking we should probably do split squat. All right. Now modification, you can do it like this. Split squat. Or lunges. You got a split lunge or just lunge. Okay. Now, let's add the jump to it. Breathe. Now remember, if you cannot do this one, go back to that, okay? And then when you're ready, challenge yourself, all right? You see how I'm moving, taking it around? Do that. Get creative with your moves so you won't get bored, all right? Put some excitement back into your workout. All right, here we go. Jumping into it. I'm giving you options, showing you modifications, so you won't give up. You conquer by continuing. Don't just work out when it's sunny. Work out when it's cloudy, when it's raining. Your body deserves the best. Wobble, 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 wobble. Okay, ready for the 1, 2, 3 kicks. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now, if you so inclined, or if you feel like challenging yourself, you can add a hop to it. That's it. Make it work. Almost there. We're coming to the stretch. Oh, I think spit flew out of my mouth. Oops. It's a windy workout. Boom. Yes. Yes. 5 minutes, 5 moves. Some days, that's all it takes. Give me a high five. Boom. You did it. Just like that. Let's stretch it out. Breathe. Oh. Other side. Oh, it feels so good out here. God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. Stretch. Breathe. And as always, put some gratitude in your attitude. It makes for a good life. I guarantee it. I mean, now, stretch it. Give yourself a pat on the back, because you did it just like that. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for working out with me. Join me at the next workout. And until then, bye.